I'm Anthony. I'm a lifeguard here at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. This is my office. I get to lifeguard here every day. Our day starts as the sun is coming up. One of the ways that we start our day is through a pre-shift breakout meeting, and that's where we all meet together and we talk about what's going on around Walt Disney World. We talk about our diversity and inclusion updates, and we get to know a little bit about each other. And then from there, we go and we open our pools, and we've already set that team environment and that mentality for the standard of the Walt Disney Company. I moved here from Miami 4 years ago. My cousin actually works for Disney, and she sent me a bunch of links to apply. I remember sitting at casting during my interview, waiting on a recruiter, and I looked up at the TV, and right underneath the TV was this whole section of pamphlets and brochures for Disney Aspire. Since then, I got an associate's degree, and I'm working on my bachelor's degree right now. Our top priority is safety as lifeguards, but we also get opportunities to make magic throughout the day, walking from pool to pool. We get to interact with our guests. Our guests come back here and they want to come visit the pools. So what we do as lifeguards at Disney here is pretty special. The inclusion key is a huge win for our Disney cast members here at Walt Disney World. And being part of a company that's been so well renowned for 100 years, we all get to create our own legacy, and that's the most amazing part. I started as a lifeguard in 2019 at Disney's Contemporary Resort, and I've worked my way through recreation, becoming a coordinator in the last 4 years. Training is really one of my passions, and if someone is interested in training, Disney provides that opportunity very early on in your career. Some of the responsibilities and tasks as a lifeguard daily is being on stand, making sure that we're scanning our water. So we go through very intensive training about what it means to be a Walt Disney World lifeguard. And here at Walt Disney World, lifeguarding is world class. What I would say to someone who's thinking of applying here as a lifeguard at Walt Disney World is if you want to have fun, you should do it. Getting to clock out at the end of the day and go home knowing that the way that I created happiness was by keeping people safe is the most rewarding and fulfilling part of my job.